Hey guys, this is how to fix character AI not working. So guys, I'm going to show you multiple solutions, so make sure to follow along. So first solution is just simply go to the Google Play Store, and now just simply go ahead and tap on the search bar at the bottom down below, guys. Now from here, just simply tap on the search button down below and just simply tap on the search bar at the top and search for the character AI application and just simply tap on it. And now from here, when there is an update, you should be able to update it over here, guys. And another thing that you might want to consider is just simply tap on the three dots on the top right corner of the screen and make sure you enable the auto update so you won't have any problem. Another solution that you have, guys, is just simply go to the settings, and now from here just simply go ahead and scroll down and just simply go for the apps, and after that just simply go try to find that character AI over here, and now just simply tap on it. And after that, just simply go to the storage. And now from here, guys, just simply tap on clear cache and you should be able to fix the issue. But if it doesn't, just simply tap on clear data and tap on OK. And from there, you should be able to fix it. But now, if it still doesn't, guys, just simply go back on the top left corner of the screen. And now from here, you should be able to see uninstall button. So just simply tap on uninstall and tap on OK. And after that, just simply reinstall it back again into your phone by just simply going to the Google Play Store and just simply install it. And you should be able to fix the issue. There you go. See ya.